At Thermo Fisher Scientific, we have a mission to make the world healthier, cleaner, and safer. As a leading supplier of single-use technology, we have a responsibility. Now, more than ever, our customers need a harmonized manufacturing network that ensures consistent manufacturing and quality standards for single-use bioprocess containers, which is very vital in the production of important biologics, vaccines, and therapies. And that's what our Singapore expansion is all about. In March 2021, Thermo Fisher Scientific opened the doors of our dedicated single-use technology site in Joo Koon, Singapore, representing a complete design and engineered to meet exacting industry requirements. We have 120,000 square feet of infrastructure in our site, which includes 10,000 square feet of ISO 7 classified clean room space for manufacturing bioprocess containers. We have 7 BPC assembly manufacturing lines, which include end-to-end process from kitting, product assembly, in-process quality control, and vacuum sealed packaging. Out of this 34,000 square feet of warehouse space, which is very critical for our inventory management and supply chain lead times, is ready to ship gamma sterilized spec packaging products directly to our customers worldwide. Expanding our systems and capabilities is just part of meeting a crucial need. It's really our people who fulfill the Thermo Fisher Scientific mission. That's why we have invested in hands-on skills training for our engineers, supply chain professionals, in-process quality control technicians, logistics, material handlers, shipping executives, and all other functional professionals and production technicians, ensuring our people are qualified with the right skill sets and competencies and are certified to manufacture our BPC products. Talent, capacity, reliability, and compliance. This is what our biotech and biopharma customers need most in these challenging times. And Thermo Fisher Scientific is here to deliver, and to that, we add a strong commitment. Our investment in Singapore site is a testament of Thermo Fisher Scientific valued customers in the region. A long-term commitment that means expanded capacity, shorter product lead times, and better load balancing across our global manufacturing network. The facility is audit ready for companies to qualify their custom products. We invite you to grow with us, becoming healthier, cleaner, and safer together.